Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how stealth fighter jets are made, step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes videos like this.
Canopy positioned. Confirming fit.
Green indicators across the board, ready for lockdown.
Alignment check on section 3. Readings verified, proceeding with rivets.
Conveyor engaged for the next sequence. Sensor readings confirm even application. Optimal thickness achieved.
Acknowledged. The finish looks perfect. We are clear to continue.
The camera tracks the jet as the gimbal rotates in controlled arcs. Automated airflow sensors adjust in real time while engineers monitor readings.
The scan data on Sector 4 is nominal.
Correlates with the digital twin specs.
Torque reading stabilized at 50 kilonewton meters.
Alignment confirms green status on all sensors.
Proceeding with the forward-starboard connection sequence.
Torque values stabilizing on rail 3. Alignment verified. Proceeding with automated lock sequence. The synchronization rhythm is holding steady.
Data logs confirm precise movement within tolerance, confirming automated rails are locked.
Rail lock confirmed. Initiating clamp sequence 3.
Pressure stabilized after the valve adjustment.
Confirmed. The automated leak detection scan is clear.
Lift systems engaged. Verification complete on Sector Baker.
Copy that. Moving to Sector Charlie. Rail alignment confirmed.
Scan complete on hardpoint 4.
Data confirms tolerances are nominal.
Ready for advance to the next station.
Look at the resonance profile here. It's within acceptable parameters.
Confirmed. The scan data matches the schematics precisely.
Actuator cycle complete. Instruments calibrated. System shows green.
Confirmed.
Moving to fuselage advance.
Imaging performance is holding nominal parameters.
Confirmed. Thermal scan complete. Tolerances are green. Good.
Locking mounts and advancing conveyor.
Actuator cycle complete on fuselage 4.
Telemetry nominal. Advancing to stage 3.
Actuators are within nominal parameters. Precision at 99.9%.
Scanner 2 reports green across the board.
Confirmed. Diagnostics show full system integrity.
And that's how a stealth fighter jet is made. From design to delivery.